Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use SurveyMonkey to create a quiz step by step. Quizzes are a fantastic way to engage your audience, test knowledge, or even collect feedback in a more interactive format. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build and share a professional quiz with ease. Let's get started. First, log into your SurveyMonkey account. If you don't already have an account, simply visit their website and sign up. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, head to the Create Survey section, which you'll find right on your dashboard. Now click on Start from Scratch. This option gives you full control over how your quiz looks and works. You'll then be asked to name your quiz. Something simple and descriptive like science quiz or weekly training quiz works great. Don't forget to save your work here to avoid losing any progress. Next, go to the Design Survey tab. This is the heart of your setup where you'll customize your quiz. In the top right corner, you'll notice a gear icon labeled Options. Click on it and make sure to turn on Quiz Mode. Activating this feature lets you set correct answers and enable automatic scoring, which saves you time and ensures accuracy when reviewing responses. Now it's time to add your questions. Click on Plus New Question and begin entering them one by one. For best results, use formats like multiple choice or drop-down questions. These are quiz-friendly and allow you to clearly mark correct answers. As you add answer choices, you'll notice a checkbox under each option. Select the box next to the correct answer, and if you want, assign point values to each question. This is especially useful if you'd like certain questions to carry more weight or highlight their difficulty. Keep repeating this process until your quiz is complete. Take the time to make your questions clear and concise so participants stay engaged and understand exactly what's being asked. Once you've built all your questions and set your scoring, your quiz is ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully created a quiz in SurveyMonkey. With these steps, you can now design interactive quizzes that are easy to manage and fun for your audience to take. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step tutorials.